All right, good morning. This is the really great start of the day. Can you guess where I'm going? I'm going to Bike Demo Expo at CDP Open Ground. I've been in that place this year. I think that was January or February. Oh, so many motorcycles early in the morning. So now is because I think now is most of them is going to the office, going for work. Let it pass through. Emergency purpose. Yeah, before I done my vlog, or before I'm doing the vlog, I used to ride in this place several times in MacArthur, and it's here the traffic condition is like a battle zone, so you have to be very alert, especially when you're cycling here. All right, city of Valenzuela, arriving here. Yeah, Valenzuela city. So you're gonna pass through here, going to CCP if you're gonna use MacArthur Highway. All right, Monumental Circle. This is a very historical, monumental monument.
I'll fight your demons for you, you're happy. Stay right behind me, baby, and hiding. Take a bullet for you, I won't die.
Traffic, stoplight.
What's the fight again, baby? Anything you need. Long as you keep that pretty body just for me. Long as you keep that body places I could reach. Baby, I never want you finding out I do it all.
Here in Chinatown.
I'll take all of your pain so you don't
Here.
feel it all. Be shining, be shining. I'll take all of this money, go buy you more. Be shining,
Yeah, nice seeing you, National Museum again.
you got your back against the wall.
Glad to see you again.
Be shining. If they talk behind your back, girl, I'm gonna kill them all. Can't you see I do it all? Be shining, be shining. I'll take all of your pain so you don't feel it all. Be shining, be shining. I'll take all of this money, go buy you the mall. Be shining, be shining. I'll be there if you got your back against the wall. Be shining, be shining. If they talk behind your back, girl, I'm gon' kill them all. What's the fight again, baby? Anything you need. Long as you keep that pretty body just for me. Long as you keep that body places I could reach. Baby,
Just stop over here just to see the I Love Navy Naval Station.
I'll take all of your pain so you don't feel it all. Be shining, be shining. I'll take all of this money, go buy you someone. Call on me, say put it all on me. Vámonos a alegría in the nighttime, make it all to me. You, natural stress, baby. Give it to you, we ain't 30. What's the fight again, baby? Anything.
All right, the Bike Demo Expo
Long as
on
you keep
May,
that body
month of May
places I could
2025.
Baby, I never want
Oh.
you finding out I do it all. Be shining, be shining. I'll take all of your pain so you don't feel it all. Be shining,
Smaller
be
one.
shining. I'll take all of this money, go buy you more. Be shining,
So we have this one raffle.
got your back against the wall.
Magkaisa sa bisikleta, right?
Ang ano gear mo
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, we were, papasok kami namin, laki ng plato.
Oo, parang LP. Galing, galing.
Laki ng plato.
So hindi naman hindi ka naman
Okay, nasanay na. I'm already used to it.
Okay. So non-spec yan talagang nilagay mo.
Yeah. Yes, Bike Demo Expo. Ay, sumabili ko.
Romelceno po, pangalan mo. Huwag mo yung sa Facebook ko eh. Page ko namin kung para personal ko pangalan mo.
Hindi mo sabi niyo.
Ito ko sa kanya.
We know Bike Shop is Ortigas. It's Bike Sila. Okay? Go to them at Corporate Milan Center in Ortigas. Ang laki po ng kanilang shop doon.
Here in the middle, you can see that they're here near Cycle Art right now. That's pretty good. It's a good crowd. We have Bike Plus today in front of Cycle Art Summer House. So that's pretty good. For helmets, we have Spider. Wow, that's a big crowd here in Spider too.
Oh, by the way, let's thank our friends from the Patricia Speech.
Here near the stage, right in front of Courier. Yes, and Turnbikes is here also in that area. Near
70.
the food stalls. Wow,
70.
crazy fries and sausages.
Yung small
There's a lot of faces today.
59 yata yan.
Well, demo day is like, you know, bike festival, everything.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you everyone for coming on down today. There's a lot of people today, no, Pam? Yeah, so how is it going? How's your experience here at the bike demo today, Jenna? The weather's pretty good, and I see there's a lot going on, no?
Yung ibang natatawa, ang labas malaki pa tayo yung plato doon sa gulong.
What you see today here in the bike demo?
Konti na lang parehas na eh.
Tires, bigger tires and fat tires, no?
Thank you.
There's so much to see.
Thank you. Ayaw niya Sherwin.
Sherwin?
Yes.
Polican. Boss Albot is here. Awesome. Sapin na daw. Yan. I-invite tayo sa kanilang stage.
Ha? Oo, para maraming makain.
Vice President. Battery life, right? Yes.
Kape o gape na. 70.
Kala ko 14, invite din sa akin sa 14 club namin.
Iwan ka dyan sa patag.
Oo, pero ahon, yari ka dyan.
Nasa hitayan.
Na-practice lang, na-practice.
Sa taktak na yakit mo ba?
Yes, gamit ko to last time tuktak. Sa Monasterio de Tarlac.
Kasi ako, gamit ko 30, ay 48 lang.
70 feet.
Hindi na matigas.
Kailangan lang malakas ang tuhod.
Hindi naman pala masyado. 70, parang 100 plus na. 70 lang yan.
70. Mukhang
Station forms with Arnel. If you may want to register manually, but it's so easy to register na siya. Meron mo QR code doon, scan lang nga. Again, it's still open. If you want to enjoy the trails of Westilaw and test your
na pala, no? Cafe Benito. Hi! Have you tried Cafe Benito? This is my first time in my life I taste like a coffee like this. With calamansi americano.
Yes.
Wow. Marikina. Nice. Luckily I bring my folding bikes here, and they notice this upgrades. So they love the bike. Okay, I'll be leaving the bike demo. That's it for today. So hope you enjoy. So this is bike demo at Open Ground CCP. So I made a few clips, so you hope you enjoy it. So that's all for today. Bye.
So I was going to go there during the
Come kill 'em all. I'll fight your demons for you, your habits. Stay right behind me, baby. Take a bullet.